Identifying the conjugate base of Cl*** concept ***. A conjugate base is formed when an acid donates a proton, H to the power plus. Conversely, the conjugate base of a species is what remains after it loses an H to the power plus. Step-by-step reasoning ***. 1 start with Cl to the power ***. If Cl to the power is the conjugate base, we need to find what acid it came from. 2 add a proton ***. Adding H to the power plus to Cl to the power gives Cl to the power plus H to the power plus gives HCl3. Identify the acid HCl. Hydrochloric acid is the conjugate acid of Cl to the power. 4 verify the relationship HCl is a strong acid that donates its proton. When HCl loses H to the power plus, it forms Cl to the power, the conjugate base. Answer the conjugate base Cl to the power corresponds to HCl hydrochloric acid. Without seeing the options, option ***B** must be HCl or an equivalent representation of hydrochloric acid. The answer is B.